Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So I thought I'd come on here and give you guys a quick tip uh, because I've been working on this for a while and it's been sitting here, and I had the background started and I wanted to add just a little bit. You can see a lot of it smudged, but you can see like certain parts that have come up from the stencil that I love. And I put a coat of flush on here, and I just use my tried and true light flush folk art, and I have skin tone by, and you can see it's a tad bit darker. So I put a coat of the light flush down and I let everything dry, and then I took my favorite thing in the world. Now I'm going to give you different things about this, but it is clear gesso. And I've talked about this before. I love this stuff. It's almost gone. I use it all the time. And I did clear gesso over it. And what that does is it gives it some tooth. So that means I can go back with, I bought these, which I'm going to do a video on, but these are graphite in matte. So I bought these to play with, and to do like a quick review on them in case anybody wants to try them, and I'm going to do it on here. So I wanted to clear gesso it, and what it does is it seals everything below. And sometimes I'll clear gesso, gosh, 2-3 times. And now when I work on top of it, this will become a little bit more opaque for me, and I can do some shadows and do different layers and that kind of thing. And I like to clear gesso when I add things that maybe aren't permanent. Now, what else you can use is, I don't think I have it here, but, oh yeah, I do, Mod Podge paper. And this is not Mod Podge matte, this is not Mod Podge gloss, this is not Mod Podge fabric, which I love as well. This is Mod Podge paper. And the reason this is so good is because it's not sticky. A lot of you guys have concerns when you're doing, when you put your Mod Podge mat down in your journal pages and that kind of thing. So I have a lot of new subscribers, and I'm so blessed and thankful. So I wanted to let everybody know about this Mod Podge paper. If you use it as a sealer, and to use to glue your papers down when you collage and whatnot in your art journal, the pages won't stick. Sometimes when you use Mod Podge matte, they'll stick. Now it depends on the humidity, where you're at, all the things. But so this is good as well. But this I love. And like I said, I love that too. I can't say I don't, but I've been obsessed with this lately, and that's what I've been using. But I'm going to do a video, and I'll get into these, because geez, the comments I get and the questions I get a lot about like the different Mod Podges and how to use them and what to do. So, the paper, the fabric, the matte, and there's one other one I get a lot about that, I'll do a video on. But for now, like I said, this is clear gesso. Everybody has white gesso and all the things. I have been, just using that and loving it. So I just wanted to give that little tip. And if you can't get clear gesso, I know that a lot of times, oh my God, my throat is so dry. A lot of times the stores don't offer coupons anymore. But if you sign up for like Joann's texts or emails or Michael's, you get like 40 off. And sometimes they do run 40 off. So you can, when it's a 40 off, go buy your clear gesso. You will not be sorry. And like I said, if this is too rich for your blood, which believe me, you can see this is old, and I bought it with a 50 off coupon at the time. I never buy full price. Go for your Mod Podge matte paper. Okay. Fantastic things. So yeah, so I just wanted to give you that little tip. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know about somebody else is fighting. And I will be back with another video. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.